To create an activity, first click on the course you are wanting to add the activity to. I clicked on 8th grade math, second hour. Next, click on the editor button on the left column. Even though I clicked on second hour, it says that I am editing the master right here. If you want this assignment to trickle down to all of your derivatives, then leave it like it is. If you only want to create an activity for a certain hour, then you can click that button and choose the class you want the activity in. Right now, I only have 2 project folders. If you're wanting to create a new project folder, click the blue plus sign at the bottom of the folder that says Add to your class name, which mine says Add to 8th grade master. Then click Folder. Add the title of your project and then click Save. For this one, we'll just call it Test Project. And save. Now that you have a project folder that you want to add things to, just click the folder. This opens the folder. You will now click Add to your folder name, so I will add to Test Project. The easiest thing to use for grading is the Task or Submission option. Click Task or Submission. The title will be the name of the activity, Test Activity. If there are instructions or prompts for students to respond to, then type them in the content section. Number 1, do this first, etc. If this is a paper submission, then you can just leave this section blank. Next, click on Scores. The Enable Gradebook setting and gradable options have already been selected. Just assign points to the category you are wanting to grade the activity on. We'll say this one is 10 points, knowledge and thinking. If students are turning in something digitally, make sure to change student Dropbox to single document or multiple documents, depending on what you're wanting them to turn in. If it is a paper submission, just leave the Dropbox at none. Lastly is the due date. If we scroll back up, to assign a due date, just select the box at the top of the screen. Then choose the date and time you want it due. Also choose whether or not you want to allow late submissions. Click Save, and now you have an activity that is ready for students to complete.